If you live in South Africa, here is a makeup routine using affordable products. Essence Hydrating Jelly Primer, LA Girl Color Corrector. I'm using an orange color corrector where I have hyperpigmentation. Essence Soft Touch Mousse Makeup in the shade 16 Mahogany. LA Girl Setting Spray. Oh, and all the brushes I'm using, I got them from China Mall. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Sephora Makeup Cream Blush in the shade 108 Berry. I just love how pigmented these cream blushes are. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 356 Warm Coconut to set under the eyes. Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Baking Powder. Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the shade 360 Mocha, all over the face and to dust off that baking powder. Switch Beauty Actual Cheekbones in the shade 03 Deep. I'm going into this bronzer shade to warm up the perimeter of my face. Rimmel Lip Liner in the shade Brownie Pie. Black lipstick from Signature Cosmetics. Clear lip gloss from Smudge.